Hey guys, welcome back to another space astronomy video. And it's looking good here. We got nice machines and all that. And all we pretty much have to do is connect them and all that. So we have 10 redstone furnaces. And we'll actually need more transfer nodes. That's something. Okay, they're easy to make, so let's just make a crap ton. We always make a crap ton of everything. Wood. Let's make 8. That's good enough. No, I don't want to learn how to do that. Transfer nodes. Okay. I need stone. 1. I wonder if I can cook compressed cobblestone. No. That's too bad. Let's cook just a crap ton of our cobblestone. Oh, not the chests. Dang. That's good. I want cobble. Good enough. Let's uncompress just that and throw it in there. I need more stone. Okay, we need, since we have 8, we'll need 16. What else do we need? Do we have a lot of ender pearls? Yeah, we can use them. And then all we need is redstone. And ender pearls. So ender pearls, redstone, transfer nodes. There we go, 41 transfer nodes, that's a lot. But we only got 1 ender pearl left, but that's okay, I can juice some endermans. Okay, we got a crap ton of those. So the question now is, how are we gonna sort all of this? So my plan is, where should I should just put it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then okay, all of those are blue, so I can connect them. And then okay, I need to connect those together. Oops, not like that, because I don't like it. And they might need some speed upgrades, but that's for later. And all of those will have, 8. All of those will have to be powered with a lot of electricity. Furious. That's pretty neat. Okay, how's our... Okay, 32. I need those binder thingies. There we go, 48. That should do for now. I hope that's enough. We don't have many binders. Oh, snow. That's... Nyeh. It snowed at my house today. It's pretty nice. And... okay, so I can make it go underground. Not more of skeletons, no. I hate skeletons. Ah, just let me do my stuff. You're dead. You're a jerk. Okay. There we go. So all of those are connected. So the redstone furnaces should start. Yep, they're being powered, just like I want. And okay. If I do like that, I'm just wondering. I cook something. It's not taking it. So we have to place our transfer nodes in a different way. Or our furnaces. Crap. Oh, that's pretty bad. So that's my... Oh, even those are the ones which take a lot of time to break. No. So we have to place them on an angle. There'll be maximum cooking efficiency. Yeah, on an angle like that so it can get out here. Okay. The blue means it's taking. And perfect, the orange means it's... No, the blue means it's getting something in. So, if we do our test... Perfect. But then, the question is... How are we going to sort this? Man, we could have a crap ton of chests, I guess. For now, we can have chests. But that will do only for now. So I think it's time to fire this baby up. Let's give it a try. So by example, in here, what do I really want to grow? And also I want to add the reinforced watering can. The Tristan can. There we go. So everything should work perfectly. Okay. And sneaking. Or not sneaking, right? Aim level. May I'll test it out. So I want to grow a bunch of iron. Or what do I want to grow? That I really need. I guess gas tiers are pretty cool. I like gas tiers. They make me cry. Oh, that's loud. Eyes. Okay, we need to set this. Perfect. When we click sneaking, it's growing. Actually, I did a huge mistake. I don't want to grow gas tiers there. And I haven't sorted that thing out. I did a mistake. Crap. Tristan Cans doesn't like making mistakes. What a big mistake. Now I have to take all of those gas seeds. Stop planting. So I should end up with a stack. 64, that's a stack. So what metal do we need? We also need void pipes and clay pipes. That's also gonna be kind of a problem. Wait, let me think. So It's gonna go in there, be crafted no matter what. Or go in here, which I want to add cobblestone, clay with that, and then cobblestone chest. I want to produce lag. Lag is our enemy. Wait a minute, it's not like that. It's like this, perfect. And okay, the items will be crafted no matter what. They'll go in here. And they'll go in here. Everything's perfect. Just need to sort them out. But what do we want to grow? Iron, maybe yellowite. Let's see. That's seeds, yeah. Yellowite and slime, yeah. Aluminum waste, circles, copper. Tin. We've always been low on tin. I need tin essence. Just one to sort stuff out. Oops, come on. So, in here, I want to craft tin. And keep, yep. And the green one, I want to put that. Then I'll cook it up. So everything seems to be fine. So if we plant that, nice. It should be all growing. Why isn't it growing? Oh, that's why. It's starting to grow like crazy. And then it'll be pumped out of there. Come on, grow faster. We always wanted faster. Okay, that one's ready. That one's ready. So that one's mass producing tin. See? All the tin stuff. It's going in there. It'll go all the way over there to the into the sorting crafting thingy, and go in the cooker, and go in our chests. That's how it's supposed to work. Look at all this. It's mass producing tin. Look at all that. It's incredible. Mass production. Imagine how fat those pipes will be when we have activate 6 of those. Those things at the end will have 6 times more items. We mass producing. Look at that. It's so satisfying to watch. Look at all that tin. It's beautiful. Ultra mass producing. So cool. And that's going where it's supposed to be. Everything's going just fine. Tristan Cans made it, I think. So I just want to see if it actually does what I want. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait. I'm supposed to do like that. Whoops. I messed up on something. Perfect. Some of the tin will come back. Yeah. But anyways, it'll come back like that anyways. Our cow is enjoying it, but he might get owies from the plants. We'll have to maybe fence that area. 'Cause I'm overprotective. Yeah. Look at all that tin. All being pumped out of that thing. With this machine. Imagine how much stuff will be out. My goodness. Huh. So I just have to plan how all the seeds will go and all that, and it'll be fine. And automate stuff. I like another chest for the extras. Crap. I like to get rid of that kind of wood. Go here. There we go. And seeds and stuff like that will go in there. And if that chest is full, it'll go in there, just deleting it. So our tin is already over there. There's a lot of entities. Wait, just 14. It doesn't count as entities. Look at all this tin. Mass producing like bosses. But it'll be more mass produced than ever. That's all free. And how's our energy? Pretty good. Taking a lot of energy, all that. A nuclear reactor powering this thing. Oh, our tin is going to almost go in the sorting machines. Tin is going green, going here. Okay, come on, tin. This is the ultimate test of ultimateness. So it should go in the green. Go in the green. Yep. Now it should start crafting the what I want. There we go. And which furnace is it going into? Why is it stuck there? Does it have to be another color on the top? Well, maybe not. I think it's good like that. Full. What color is the best? Why isn't it? Oh, we need some speed upgrades. So it's faster. There we go. Now it's searching faster. And it's putting it in there, I believe. Yep. So let's change everything to nothing. We're getting tin! Infinite tin! So how's our cooker doing? $28, $29, $30. Supposed to be faster once the cookers start going better. And in here. Okay, so yeah, mass producing tin. Right there. This furnace probably will get full. How's that thing going? Still searching and all that, but why isn't it putting anything in there? Maybe. Oh, see, it is. But is it fast enough? Nope. So it'll take 2 furnaces. 2 furnaces per thingy. So cool. We just automated. Tin. Huh. We just gotta make sure those chests never get full. But I wonder how you connect an... Wait, how do you make an ender chest? Yeah, that type. Okay. And stone. Ooh. Okay, because you need those types of chests, so the items, so pipes can go in that, and it goes straight to the ME system. We'll just need a lot of space. Oh, that's good. It'll be good if we can craft those into blocks. That's a lot of tin we're getting. Maybe I can compress it. I need fuel. Oh, now it's compressing. That's what I want to see. Do we have a lot of gold? Yeah, we have a lot of gold grit. Furious, let's just cook the gold grit. How much furious? 76, I didn't know we had so much. And also, I really want to automate the yellow white. So I'll need yellowium seeds. Okay, we got enough tin going. Our cow! He got owied to death! Our cow got owied to death! Oh no! Poor cow. Now he's gonna live in my ME system. We have a crap... Well, we don't. We have a crap ton of tin. Oh. But... Poor cow. He's dead now. Dead and juicy and... Is that producing fast enough? Yeah, I think so. 8... 67... 63, 64, 9... I guess. Cause look at all this tin! Oh my goodness, how are we... That's a lot of tin, I'll tell you that. Right away. But we don't need that much tin anyways. Look, we already got a crap ton. Like crap ton. Oh my goodness. The pipes will be so full. Wow. But anyways, I'll leave this successful episode here, guys. Subscribe if you like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.